Hi.
Hi. Alright.
Alright. It's St Piran's Day coming up real soon on the
5th of March.
that's soon.
Thought you might want to use some Cornish language if you want.
We've got some ready.
Such as Dydh da, which is hello.
Dydh da Good.
Dydh da Liam.
Chums.
We've also got Meur pleg, which is please. Such as...
Hey Luke, can I have that shoe down there, Meur pleg?
Of course you can.
Nice treads. Yeah.
And we've also got Meuraz, which is thanks.
Hey Luke, Meuraz for that shoe.
Anytime. Buds.
So basically, use the language if you want.
Don't use it if you don't want.
Your choice.